I'm Tila Holloway, Implementation Consultant with goVirtualOffice, and I'm going to give you a quick overview of a few things you can find in the Customization Workspace in Acumatica in under 5 minutes. If you don't already know, Acumatica is a cloud-based ERP that can help your business run faster, smoother, and smarter. So set your timer and get ready to unleash the power of the cloud. First, let's look at customization projects. I already have a customized project available, so let's take a look at it. When you view the screens, you can see the screens that have had customizations created. Let's look at the sales order. Within the sales order, you'll see the data source. You're also going to be able to see the form and layout properties. You can always add additional controls and data fields to be able to optimize this screen for your business. At the top, you'll notice 3 columns, and that's based on the layout of the screen for the sales orders. So let's preview the changes. You'll notice here, this is column 1, 2, and 3. Here are the tabs that you're going to be able to view and make changes. Details, taxes, commission, along with the different columns. Now, in my customization, I added this sale price, profit margin percent, and multiplier to equal the end cost. That can also be achieved within code that is written here in the customization project. Next, let's jump over to the sitemap. As you know, in Acumatica in 2024, it was released to have the new modern UI. This is a screen where you're going to be able to change from the classic to the modern. If you have any more questions, we'll touch base again on the modern UI later. Next up, let's take a look at the generic inquiries. The generic inquiry is where you can view how a screen is determining its data sources, as you can find here for our AR customers. Also, the sort order, we have it set to ascending. The results of the grid. And we can also look at the navigation. If you wanted to add an additional side panel here, you could go find, let's just say, sales orders. All sales orders. And let's change that to be a side panel. Let's save it. And now let's view our inquiry, and you can see the results of what we changed. Notice over here, now all sales orders is on your side panel. Now let's take a look at the dashboards. As you saw when we first started, I was on the Sales Manager dashboard. But let's take a look at the dashboard for our AP clerk. What you're going to find here is who this dashboard is visible to, if there's parameters that have been set, and also the widgets that can be found within this dashboard. You're going to also be able to tell it what you want the name of this dashboard, the workspace it needs to be found in. You can always view what this dashboard looks like. And with this being a predefined dashboard, we do encourage that you make a copy if you're going to make any customizations. Now let's take a look at pivot tables. Pivot tables within Acumatica work very similar to Excel. So let's run a pivot table based on open orders. We're going to name it Open Sales Orders by Customers. We're going to put our customers in the row. Let's put status in the columns. And then let's put the open total as values. You'll notice that over here, sum is how we're going to total. You also can do it by count and average. Many ways that you can in Excel. It's going to be the same in Acumatica. So let's save and view our pivot table. Now this can be exported to Excel and able to be manipulated within Excel as well. So there you have it, 5 items located in the Customization Workspace. Contact goVirtualOffice if you would like a demo or more information.